Hello everybody, my name is JT. Today we're going to take a look at this electric searing grill by Hamilton Beach. So the first thing I noticed is that it has a nice sleek design finished with a black and silver stainless steel metal. So one of the main reasons I purchased this was the fact that it was portable, and on a nice day you can take this out and have a nice barbecue outside. This thing can sear at 450 degrees, and it does a really good job of locking in all that flavor. So this thing can do it all. It can do grill hamburgers, steak, pork chop, and fish fillets. My overall opinion about this electric searer grill that can be used indoors or outdoors, I like the fact that I don't need to have to waste more time setting up charcoal or propane. So if you're looking for a portable grill for indoors or outdoors, if you're living in a tight place, this definitely can work for you. I personally like it. This electric searing grill by Hamilton Beach might be for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.